Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon and good evening, depending on where you're watching me from. Sorry, I'm kind of late a little bit. But if you're watching me now, please, I would like you to put your share button. Ndi Zion, lovers of good things, Ndi na standing on the truth. You see this Ijele, sorry, you see this Udele matter. The only place we hear the truth is here. Any other place is painting works. So please, if you come to my platform to be spreading this news, so we will not have a wrong narratives and lies. I'm not gonna waste time here because I'll be heading back to work. At least I'm not going 1 or 2 or 1 hour. It's okay by me. So do me a great favor by sharing this video as soon as you get in here. Love, if you don't share it, these people make me massive reports, and when they report me, I will not see people that are watching me anymore, and the video will begin to go down. So any page you're watching me, I may not read your comments. You saw me the day I was so furious about Alisa posting a link. I don't post my links anymore. What I do is to air in my multiple of my pages. So if you want to see where I will read your comments, I know some people get privilege to comment where I'm not reading, but later I will come and block you. The only place I can read your comments, if you have any question you can ask me, is on Ogechi Okeke Njaka, the 1.2 million page. So please do me a great favor. So my friend, you are telling the truth, but you did not say the truth when... Hold on, let me block you. Let me block you. Bye-bye. Goodbye. I don't have time for rubbish. Actually, me filter this place. What is the truth? We claim evidence that Okurora scam on people. If you don't have the evidence, then you are trash. If you don't have evidence, all the same in my name Okurora down on all this matter is that Okurora is not even taking this in the way he's supposed to take it. Ndano Nigeria all these things I don't know why have got in England, how got the privilege. You want to na stop up list. Oh, the next thing I give me now. Those people now abroad. Any day you step Okugena Nigeria, I want to go to video, the 10 go to Giga, I get no good in a airport. Oh, no, I got in with your people, in with a contact. The videos here release. If in with the contact, by then, time he get just spend the Nigeria. A jigodi agaza go deep. Unless me when a contact and the way people make your stay enjoy. So yeah, game all these people na Attire where I had in airport. Oteji or in Canada, I got machine an airport, lawyer, a miss go to your oppo. Yeah, where is your contact? That is all you need to do. If you don't want to come here, be spending $1 and pounds. They will contact you at the airport to see an immigration. And that will be the next stop. Sorry, that will be the next step I get take. Yes, I want the most problem anyway. Yeah, because this nonsense got to stop. Ndeka Nigeria, a day petition, they can't travel anywhere. All these things I will implement it and it must surely come to reality. I will push this thing. If I don't push it, make a payment. I will push it to a level. If you don't have a content to create, you go and rest. All people message up. Guys, share this program. I'm about to play a video that will retrieve our people's brain, that will remind our people's brain. Our people forget so soon. And may have any back all this rubbish, sympathetic bullshit. Click love and like, share the program as you're joining. Now, let me tell this thing. I'm emphasizing this on Zion members. I will keep emphasizing this. Yadika, these people are kuchuru no. Yadika, people are kuchuru no. Man, we're only person standing. Then, some people are big. Oh, baby, I don't like Ogechi. Maybe KKKK. Let me tell you one thing, eh? Gilabwo, any day you be thanking God for me liking Ebuka Obi. Any day you kneel down and say, God, that should be your number one prayer point too. If you don't know, you should sit down and tell God, God, thank you for Ogechi Okeke liking Ebuka Obi naturally. Ida Karime Ebuka Obi ain't one of this blew up if it's not me. I'm the initiator of every movement I name. If you don't know, let me tell you now. Other people know back, but I would the initiator. I would the grandmaster. I would the idea movement. Did you understand what I mean? I would the beginning. I would the idea herself. So if he hates me because of your useless brain, brainwash, you'll get you do this, you'll get you do that. That's your business. So that is the same way. Then I did not see anybody that would defend me. Then I stood alone. I fight my fight the way I thought is the best way to fight it. People like they can't. That is exactly what they did to me. So I personally knew what Ebuka Obi are passing through. I'm the man in a better position to tell you how mean these people are, how evil they can be. Because I've been there. These people will connide, they will form group, they will create WhatsApp group, create messenger group. I go make page, go and make la page. So people now know see adiko wenjoku. Oni ka be page nka ko adiko wenjoku. Oni a be page nka ko adiko wenjoku. They will fabricate charts. Imana fabricate charts in Ishi. Imana ken na no nanga fabricate charts in Ishi na munaya ne baba take. Do you know that? Do you know that Ken made obituary of me and my mother? Do you know that? Do you know that Ken did the obituary of himself, claiming that Ogechi did the obituary for him? Do you know that? Do you know that these people went and manipulated people? Do you know that people went and manipulated people? As far as you put your Ogechi, you will come out and platform and I will raise money for you. Do you know that? Later on, some of them came back to apologize. The same conspiracy now name Ebuka Obi. The same thing about Nissan Ukuru. That plan in Ishi years back. By then, nobody stood for me. I stood for myself. So, when I see one who bear walk, people this woman is too aggressive. This woman is too mean. She's too terrible. Imagine no Ebuka Obi na-ekwu. Imagine the anger this guy gonna put out there. That was exactly what they did to me. They ganged up on me. But I decided to fight my battle my own understanding way. And the men put us to become the bad person. Mekariam ni he bekariam akwa. Oh, you all this amusu sobo. Mekariam ni he bekariam akwa. This is who they are. They ganged up, they fabricated story, they lied, they will call. Do you know that at a point, these people start fabric. Even one of them, before life. Do you know that? So, and when any conspiracy and make shape go be mad, they did it to me. Everybody in Nyanaka, they went inside their inbox to tell them, Ogechi. First of all, they will tell you, do you know that Ogechi raised 20 billion and gave you 500,000? Do you know that Ogechi raised 100 million and did not give you anything? They will manipulate their brain because of their useless poverty mentality. For example, because I've lived in that shoe. I have. And to me, one thing is that I want somebody you can push over anyhow. I will fight with every blood in me to prove my innocence. People are arrogant. You will not know jaw. This is the jungle. If you don't possess the kind of spirit I possess, these people will bury you, kushiegi, because there are many pushing one person. Hannah, who's in that Ogechi, I'm the trouble. I am the trouble because I'm fighting what I passed through. Him pass through now this blue up. Anybody got pass through, ya put a you. These people fabricated lies. Mechashina my father raped me. Mechashina namburu my father. Mechashina my mom. And when who they lie? Mechaga where he had on a record that I can't work in America. I can't go to school. Man, I joke people only want to record on a nursing school in America. Do you know that before you take your T's or your SC, do you know that you gotta do fingerprints before you go to nursing school? These people went to an extent, they created an app na Google. With a criminal record. Do you know that? If I tell you what I have passed through on this blue app, do you know why? When you want to deal with these people, don't look back. Do not, because sometimes they won't be. They don't have hearts. These people are amusu. So whenever you see me acting, I know why I'm doing it. Ebukobi cannot come out and be doing like me. Ebukobi is not a blogger. But all you that is a Zionite, you that is a member, you that love him, I don't know whether you were Zion, you was once against me. That's your business. That thing you was among a memo. Happy God, all these people now. He went because of act of jealousy. How we him did not come to reality. These people contacted him. These people borrow immigration. You want me to play the voice? Do you know that these people called immigration for me to be deported? To tell you how far these people and what bonye for immigration shiala. Do you know that? That I borrow immigration to deport me? Or to tell you how evil people can go. My mother didn't to him an obituary and all one. But potatiwe can a obituary in K. Let me tell you one thing. Oh, and when she what I mean in Oga de Luo. I've been in your bonny son inside the messenger. People are saying, "Oh, you are playing." If you know how dubious and evil these people would be, you will not take anything on granted. These people are mean. That's the evil. I'm telling you the truth. In to understand, they were one lady in Naka. They went and told the lady to say a different thing. The lady were confessing the other day. Everybody they went impulse to deceive many. The people shall you are an evil soul to say that I have lived in that shoe. It's not a joke. Here we have planned to do. Here we a plan deal and don't we have a man or can a plan your mic shit in here. Because Abraham that put that in a fire or could be about Jehovah. Anybody that will see that in no way, you are a learner. If you know how mean these people can be, oh my goodness. Anybody that will come up and tell you that that person is a joker. It's not a joker. Anything on before you don't be deceived. Don't be deceived. Everything is a threat around you. Even hello and that will threat to you, to your life. Be vigilant all time. I'm just showing apology count shit. Remember, I just made no pem. If I go deep, I will not go to sleep. The same measure na measure ga ebuko bi can measure on my head. Nobody stood for me. I stood up. I fight my battle. And when he put for home, so I can relate to what Evangelist Ebukobi is passing through. If you don't know it, you better be wise. Everybody then, Ogechi is a bad person. And somebody said, make her forgive. Forgive. Ken has to come out and tell the people, and whenever I arrange charts, and whenever I obituary, or we hear Atoro, let me play that video so you will see it. I went to the river. I broke a key. I caused 10. And the one knew it will happen to all of them. And somebody wants to tell me, let me tell you, Yawuni no be shoe. Only they innocent boy. And nobody is standing for you. You will never understand what I'm saying. Until a poke people. I mean, some of you are passing this thing through this thing, maybe in the church. No long. But I can get social media where heaven and earth are listening. Where man do she man them borrow. Now watch, people are gullible, they are believing it. And the gullible destroy them however you want, you become the bad person. Until today, I got conspire against you. Because some persons don't like how you talk. Some persons say you are arrogant. Some persons say that if you're full of yourself, you go. That is it though. Some persons said because they hate you for different reasons, but to connected with people who poga shit. All of them will face hell. Unless my children can never or the amazes. And when you'll be picking dust to dust. I said it and I still maintain my stance. If you have never passed through conspiracy, when and how did all this thing happen? A bear can come, Mary. How? And when you react, you become the bad person. And I hope you on your jaw. This Udele, this Samusu was once among the palace of fools. Join them. Udele put in the afternoon, can I put in the evening? Many of them lined up, one person, over 13 people. This Udele. History mona here today. So, and when he again memo, these people will not reap everything they have labeled me on this blow. Come on, Lela Cheji. Even in the Obodo, if I target you, enter me. I know what I'm saying. Udele did not start today. Udele is a ihoma na abaya for. Ochohonyo will not progress because life will destroy your. You know, when you look at this history of people that come out and castigate every hard work you have worked for in this life, our people life will have been destroyed. They cannot even think of anything reasonable to bring to the society. They are all empty, practically empty. They cannot, if you tell them to give the world what will make the world happy, they can't offer a pin. And when you work here, the damaged, when then actually destroy people that have built, and people who want to think on faculty, people in common sense. They have nothing to offer. Look at their history, nothing. If they remove your name from their mouth, absolutely zero. They don't have confidence to even stand and run a program. They can't even run. They can't even have the they don't have the charisma. They don't have what it takes. Let me tell you. You see, success attracts a lot of hate. Success attracts enemies. And the misery need company. That's why you see them in group. Misery need companies. That's why you see them. They will always be in a group. They will always be in a place they will console themselves. All the Konya Baralas in a class when we were in secondary school, or sorry, when we were in primary school, they will look for Ndi Baralas Ibeha to console their misery, to console their failures. And when you already successful now, people look for Ndi successful, but misery look for companies. That is how it is. Now, for those of you who want short memories, I want to play this video. Guys, share them program. I click love and like. Share them this program, please. I have my reasons. Share the program. Let me play this. I will not be here long. Like I told you, I gotta catch up and my gone. Share and love. Share. You guys are not sharing this program. Oh, share. Share, click love, share. I want to play this thing, but AG background. And let me say this: I'm not fighting for IPOP because some of them are not men enough. They are not competent enough for me to stand them. I'm not fighting for Martin Nandekano. What I go? I'm only reminding you how evil this Udele can be. For those of you that will mistake this video, it has nothing to do with Nandekano, but I want to use it as an example for those of you that have short memories, for those of you that cannot understand. Jigodi Udelama, and when I did Nandekano mention on here for once. Now when I did Nandekano wish young, let's assume Yana and Abano war is a payback thing. Let's assume maybe Nandekano is fighting you. You guys are doing payback to each other. Nandekano have never mentioned your name. Nandekano have never crossed your path. I would be refreshing memories soon. And you're looking for something to pay back. I'm telling you, people that have nothing to do with your misery. But this is how far, how low you can go to wish somebody on. So I'm not here to stand for IPOP. I'm not here. I don't fight federal government. I'm not fighting federal government. But I'm using this as an example, as an illustration, so you will understand what I mean. That mad with the evil. IPOP, go and fight your fights. I'm not fighting for you guys. But this is just an example. Kile, how evil this is. Maybe memory una apotola small. All the makana recall my memories, so you guys will understand what I'm saying. Let's listen. Zaga Ziggy. People seems not to understand this video, but in my he put this song. Please tag Zaga Ziggy here. He put this song going on the background. Put this voice of a devil na Udele. Don't put any background song na this thing. Just Mary Muya like that. Post to it. Download it on your platform. I will use it and run a program again. For people that are saying they seems not to understand this video, I will remove the music on the background. Then you will understand the video. Now, this is the level. This Ekwe in Sugara. You want to go? So remove the background song going on here. Post it the way Amusua Jirimea. I want to refresh your memory. For those of you still get you are laughing that I'm on your arrest. And the Zagazigi, please, I want you to be bringing video about Bondashi, ebe this Udelashi, Ihoma game and no wow that na ebu prumi boni ne ha. Come now refresh their memory. Have forget that so soon. For those of you that will come now say you are campaigning for me, when you cannot campaign, who? Like I said, I'm not fighting federal government of Nigeria. Sorry, the video don't have volume. Yes, don't put volume on it. Don't put any music background. In what you can do, Udele. Everyone wish other people on under that background. Dig out all his videos. Everyone wish maybe I will keep opening their common brain. Yana about his sense. And the thing I won't that Ibaga saga with anybody, any of these people. You want to go? No, I don't want you to put music background Zion under it. I won't because of Mazen and the Kanoka Zion Jaloka. Is because this idiot threatening Ibu. I probably should go and get their own justice. It has nothing to do with it. But they use to come this thing as an example. Mbeshi, you are rejoicing. You are rejoicing. Udele wish many people, innocent people that has nothing to do, people that he lied against, people that he fabricated lies on their heads. Agam elisi chanda window to her. Dash na yawu idam we dog. Won you to have me up the video. So mbage tinya wan ha people get me travel. Ha boy, you put their names. These are the people that count in this Onya where it counts. He has counts. Or what or what? I will be playing those videos. Germany. They are many. Put on hold on their travel. That is what you need to do to stop all this trash. You need to put an end to all this. John. Actually, Ebony son been a mistake. It's never a mistake. I can test to it. And when you take a mistake, you will boom and insist before my yes, I am a living witness. I lived on it. Some of them put out like a bleacher, the ancient and modern bleaching aqua cream. But I didn't do her anything. But the envy in her, the progress she sees in me, the grace always suffocates her to come out again. This is how they are. Jealousy, envy, they can't take it anymore, they will run out. You want to go? So anything in about it, post it. I will be visiting. I hardly come to your page. Tag me, I will be visiting. Upon my admin. So can they refresh in the buying? Find a chef for too much. Ebobe gave Bubo conspire against you. You will not know what Ebukobi is passing through. Especially again, you're in a position you cannot reply to Ashana Togidegi. Many people will believe it. You understand what I'm saying? So, all can baggy. Some people say, you know, this. Ebukobi not supposed to use police. Really? You threaten to murder someone? You threaten to kill someone? You threaten to take someone's life? And you think that person has any right to protect himself? You must be a lunatic. Guys, click love and like. They are reporting my video. Click love and like. Click love and like. Click love and like. Please. Click love and like. Click love and like and share my share. Click love and like and share the program. So another thing in Choribwa Omozayon. Any day you made especially warriors online. Those of you that comment can support Ebukobi. Any day you make these people a weak in Yage, that's the end of you. Always come to defend what you like. Ebukobi cannot come and be writing and be defending himself. Oh man, no like his soldiers. Any day spirit get aramba. That's the end of his movement. Though. You guys are his weapon online. Use every weapon you have, which is your sharing and writing in all platforms, in all pages. Or that is only protection on online. Any day, and when body they can do very take you over. Ya wona nem stand together na collect mbo. Collect eba ma collect. This echo asho no balaga. Ujo beru na ho. Who are those minions? Who are those uncircumcised Philippians that will take that you inside, that will take your position? Kebe the grace social media use it and claim your rights. Who are those people that you got you inside? Ma potano orula no mume. Orula no mume. Ebukobi aga na alu ogun e church. Una aga kwa alu ogun social media. Una bankete achu unu. Why are you guys so weak? I begin to wonder. Meant to show that you guys, the love is genuine. You have to say that inside. You very take upper hand. The greatest thing you will do, your support. Because I want their greatest problem. Sometimes because I want their hindrance. With the bone of contention. With the architect of their pain in social media. Do not allow them to intimidate you. Do not allow them to subdue you. The same right to hand when here. Who are the Omenala? Who are they? Them could their power from the. It can play regi him muna sorry, I use hookah sometimes. But you will not blame me. Do not be intimidated by any pattern. This is the time you need to take over. We need to preach the word of God. The word of God has come to stay. No man born by any woman can take it away. Did you hear what I said? Any day that is the end of honor. Do not allow any man born by a woman to subdue you. Click love and like and share. I like my video. I will always say this word. So muna number. Any day create millions of accounts to her. How to get to her? How many one me two? They and him who monopoly of anything. Remember, Bobble, oneka one Omenala, oneka one Omenala, Bible emena, Bible emehu. Ya to say ko haka kure bela. Shamba. Let me be the one to collect the bullet now. All of you should stand your ground. A ball you will be defend him like you never defended anything in your life. Stand by him. Defend the area with every single blood and water in you, with your full chest. Any day you were a week, that's the end of you. And the kind of both inside and outside. I got who is your coin. Udele. Shawara. Eziboyem. Gente. Where can you Udele? Go happy discredit all the good work you have done in this life. Udele is a goner. Udele is a goner. Anybody that is telling you that Udele will survive this case, that person is a bloody liar. Share this video, make I give you updates. Updates come to how we tell them update? Ma bianyegia. Udele is a goner and will continue to be a goner. Now let me give you what. Let me come back to the latest one. One powerful man of God who 16 million yesterday on his own case, personally alone. I don't want to mention his name. Another one submit, one person 83 videos. Another person that submitted total video submitted yesterday was 309 videos. Video de la mene oja born their church. Now everyone to a shower Udele gaga por na Patakot. Amana their shower was set up by Ndahim Jishulu. Where are the Zionists? You go extremely miles to protect what belongs to you. Just a lover of a pastor set the Udele up. Get all the information they needed. They recorded Udele. Don't worry, Udele. You got evidence in a court. I'm one target. Ebe in a plan, we just born the church in do to give. BJ Menka. Anybody that will tell you that Udele will receive a fair that hand on a page and this lost and found to set of people. Now you know what of encouragement. There is nothing to be encouraged in this matter, in this Onyara case. Case Yahweh gone one. And I shower boo record on a buyer. Udele na kuinyo because someone out the wine. Udele, you'll be marveled when you get to court. You know Ishi karage. You don't know that these people I'm just shaking. These people need defend them. Why are you guys so weak online? You don't get shown as support with full force. A supporter of a man of God went far to make sure that this Amusu Emmanuel Delana plan to get wage war na church is born. Do you know that? Do you know that the record they bet this Amusu? I am just shaking. Oh God, Uronyuku. Oh God, Uronyenta. Mataya Salobeya. Olobeya. You on a firewood. But I have to wait. You long, but I can write it down. Since I was born, that everybody wanted freedom of worship in Nigeria. Udele, you are in big mess. Moni Klebro no Burudia has submitted has submitted her own petition. Yes. Hashigiruna. First headquarter. 7 na Abuja, I think a day before yesterday. No, na Soka here. Am I lying? Hello? 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 Let me call you back. Again, I didn't busy now. So also just because of you, the major people that you have put into pain, man, the threatening game. Oh, lie the lie. Okay, I will check that obituary post. People forget so soon. Each a lot of people on, and they wish he wish others. Some people are saying you are just saying, you were mad man. You were mad man. Now people just like to live fake life. Like to live fake life. And when in time. Now sometimes Ziggy Zaga, if I try to search your page and you could have tagged my page there now. Sometimes not a page sometimes I know they see. Okay, all they can hear me. I don't know why I only make a anytime I want. Nah, look what I'm a child tag ya mother rest in peace. Look why who de la tagre. Look why Ichefola yang and the Mamuswana Patana Queen. Ejikala Meka. Ichefola. The way our page ya Ijele speaks. The way oh yawa. Ichefola. Have you forgotten? Ichefogoya. Ichefola ya. Anaja. A man who you won your overnight. Because all fighting and the all fighting church. A man who you won your ma ekiti abale overnight. Ya won your ma. Look there. A man here jiri wonyoma. Chia boya wonyoma. Guys, share the program. Just click love and like. They are reporting. Share, click love and like. So I need to make this call because na koiri. Hello? Yeah, Alpha. You know, that's the phone, you know. Give him a water. We come back. Go on, him send it again. Go on. Oh, you go back there. Hey. Try to God. Get one more with all this stress. Get one more believe with all this stress. Okay. Okay. Because it didn't get boozing in the bed. Don't you know last up to 2 hours? In your say how 10 because you did the money. Because going up one because I can happen because share, click live, click love and like, and share the program. So people seems to forget easily. Chief Pilot, you're welcome, my sister. People choose to forget easily. I will be refreshing brain, you know. No matter how intense or day. You want to go? So people chipo hechefu. Onya putara paria biko Ziggy Zaga choro mufidia hoji paria Bianca wanyo juku. I would like you to go and look for that video for me. Puta this lady henine. Paria this woman amonyewo. Gina yenwe who no personal business. You came out. You accuse this woman. Go jikora dinonya. Go jikora. Our governor saying they put together their own petition. Ichefola when he was insulting her. Tag governor Hope of them here. Tag my governor Hope of them. Can you tag him here? Governor, please. If you have not put in your own petition, they're about to plan on Showere. I know why I'm not being so aggressive because always boy. Showere is advocating for this man. Tag Governor Hope when you was accusing the man, have the man stolen anything from you? Oh, it's not only governor. Please go and download their videos. Let me start reminding them how dangerous this guy is. Maybe they will be playing it in the court of law. They will be reminding him all he has done. And let me tell you guys, this case is no longer in Ebukobi custody. People more powerful than Ebukobi has taken over this case. What Ebukobi did was just to call this Amusu to come. And as soon as he that very day, made a video. People started alerting people to her. This guy have. So who said is that Ebukobi is holding him? Don't worry, they will release press conference soon. It's no longer under Ebukobi. Ebukobi connection. Ebukobi has taken over this case. Shall we tell them the truth? Stop keeping their hope up where there is no hope. Everything nice. Governor Hope who's man. If you guys allow this monster to crawl back out, he claimed he has a gun. He claimed he has people that brutally the gun with him. He claimed in all way. Please, can you tag JPAC? Can join him like programmer now? Please, I will give some few people the audience to join me now. Who are these people trying to join me? Any name that is I don't recognize, please, I can't add you. If you're here now, rubbish. Share this program. Tag all the ministers, all the governors, all the presidents, everybody that this guy has bullied. We will never allow you to have freedom because you are terror. You are a terror. Please, I need those videos, so I will be reminding them. Those that did not see their own videos, Ogechi, when I play it here, it will make sense to them. This guy has been a terror on people's life. My people he do, my people are my home. I'm not talking about anything that has to do with Nnamdi Kanu. That's not my business. I'm talking about innocent people. Do you know that the DSS stated clearly that they are not working with this guy? I'm telling you from the inside. What I had with my 2 ears, only Shinde DSS. That any DSS if they're in a police station to come and claim na may arrest instantly. My own hearing, I know me clearly. Do you know that DSS put that this guy na just they use one, they just noticed it in KMN arrest. When people are saying he's claiming to you, he knows DSS, he's claiming that DSS will do this, that they don't have no communication, no interact whatsoever with this Samusu. That they don't know him, he has never worked for them. So this guy has nothing to do with DSS are innocent. They are not working with this. They don't know this town. They said it clearly. They don't have business with this guy. But he claimed he used DSS to intimidate the citizens, intimidate the innocent citizens, just to put fear in them. DSS is this, DSS is that. Everything is all lies. Guys, share this video. Share and click love. Any truth teacher come here, I will be the one to tell you Kewejoku. Kewu the truth. All these consoling words, page, how these people are about through their destiny. Don't listen to nobody. They are all making up stories. Governor Hope them, you have been accused, you have been labeled, you have been accused. How you are sending people to kill our Don't keep quiet, sir. My honorable. Put an end to this terror. He's a threat to everyone, including the innocent people. This guy has done more damage than anything good. He does not represent anything good in our society. He was deported because of the same attitude. Using guns to threaten people on the street in Istanbul. Threaten people. Nobody should keep arms length. Nobody should keep quiet on this case. Everybody should submit their own case on this guy matter. Well, the case is even humongous. The case is beyond comprehension. It has nothing. People saying hip-hop, don't, you are jubilating on your own. This thing has nothing to do with hip-hop. We are not fighting for hip-hop. We are fighting for the innocent citizens. That has nothing to do with this guy, malicious, dubious, evil, manipulated hearts. Oja torment guys, citizens using DSS. Yeah, I know this, I know that. No police can arrest me. Now the police have arrested you. How far? How markets? This is how you was using all these words to manipulate citizens so they will be afraid of you. Everybody will run away from you. People will be afraid of you because, hey, he knows DSS, he knows authority, he knows this. People we are saying, go and arrest you. If you know we can do other video, the guy deleted it. I don't know why my app could not download that video that day. The guy, they were even Kelechi just use another map where that one is a gunner. Don't see men that don't want it. They were giving you accolade. They raise your empty shoulder up because you deceived gullible youths. You know that social media is the easiest way where you can maneuver people's brain. You deceive them that you are working with the president. You even said you know Tinubu, that anything you commit that Tinubu will save you. Guys, have you guys forgotten that video he ran and said that even anything he commit that DSS, Tinubu will save him? Is it not what he said? That it doesn't matter that he knows Tinubu, he knows he knows Buhari, he knows everybody. That anything he commit, those people will save him. Now my question becomes: does it mean that you are using these names to threaten innocent youths so they will be afraid of you, or what? Brainwashing youth, putting youth in danger, telling them what never existed in your life. So people just forget so soon and did not remember how you were terrorizing or you were terrorizing. Okay, let me block these idiots. You want to go? So my thing is that nobody should keep quiet. Even that this guy has once bullied you. He once terrorized you with fake authority names. Your petition is needed. Showere, please, this case is above you. Stay clear. Stay clear. All this mago you're writing on Twitter, campaigning for him, it will never pave way. It will never work. Guys, if Showore is campaigning, you guys should also campaign against him on Twitter. Campaign against him on your wall. Tag important people. Tell them, list everything that this guy has committed. That is why I said nobody should keep quiet. Use every weapon you have to fight your own fight on this blue app. Showore is not the only one that knows how to campaign. You also can do it. You can write. You can list all the crime this guy has committed. Why are you keeping quiet? I asked the same question. Why are you guys flood social media with all his dents and his past lifestyle? You can also go to Twitter and do the same. Fire to fire. Bombard into fire to fire. Don't disrespect Showore. Stand on your ground. Stand on your ground. Your way of understanding is very poor. Your reasoning, your IQ is very poor. No wonder you guys reason from one part of your brain. Your reasoning is very, very poor. I can understand by your write-up. In one way to read, your reasoning is small. How many of you put Otarana campaign for Ebukobi the way I campaign for Ebukobi. Majority of you guys in the video yeah about views. That's what you guys do. You guys just post this video and barala views. I'm talking about when it comes to war. Defend what you believe in. I will say it the way it is. I'm not inside. I will remember Bruno. But if I woman they love woman unconditionally is what I love about Obukobi. It's not about you. I'm talking about you bro. Then queen yo. Get on Attire here in Attire. Get on Attire here in Attire. In a bed there sentiment. Because your brain understand one part of it. I'm a goon. I want to hear fire to fire. On the post with a Jana about view. What can you fight? This is the put that your looking to your face, Lord dog. Because these people need the fire. Iron sharpened iron. That's what I meant. Away get Jana about view. That is not what I'm talking about. That is not what I'm talking about. If you say you love something, you fight to protect it with everything in you. You fight to protect it with everything. That is what I meant. One part of your brain that is functioning. Iwonyara. Even when I want them to evangelist bukaye kwodi. Una ana ha ho go ana alu sam na line. Una batankete. I have overheard him because all man una ha mambo. You think he is not watching? You think on half? Let me block you. Get out of here. Shinga voice. Iri Ji hunde ndana boni keshi hapo. Get out. I watch alam yashi una bankete. He spoke in parable. Put it in action. That is what I'm talking about. That time, Pota, Onyeka, Ndo Tumataya Sheba, Ndo Tumataya Sheba, Ndo Tumataya, Adiko Hata Akure, social media. Okay, Shalo Diogo. Give us a TV video, Gana Fana views. Where is Shigi Burogwe? Stand on what is right. Hello? 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 Okay, go ahead. Go ahead.
Okay, that woman that commented that thing, I know her very well. I know her very well. I don't think she has a page, but she's a very good defender of Zion. I went on a comment station. That woman, she's really a hard worker.
Oh, she should talk about herself. She should talk about herself alone.
In defending Zion, all open and Ishi in all places. You understand? But the truth is that even that Choma they defend, okay, bear that in mind. The truth is that there was a time okay, calm down because I know this Choma. The truth is that there was a time Zion Ndi Omenala okay, we're even discussing the kina. Police they bend Zion no. Police they bend Zion no. Now wow, it's like Nda Kuchukwendo. Kisi bahano. Ndi Omenala ego na defend do everything God did too much. That is the truth. And that is what okay is trying to say. But open that particular account, that Choma Sony Tech. Now that girl now what media in defending Ebukobi. But the truth is that there was a time that encroach. Or this look at the darkness that is encroach light. That's the truth. So Subpeddler in addressing that account, that particular account Subpeddler because she was doing a good job. You understand? Go and look as a presenter. We all need each other as a presenter, and we come together. It's a force.
That is what I'm saying. Oh no, what I put on. With uniform mind. What I don't. With you, everybody. That is what I'm saying. With your support. we can move. With my own support, you can move. It's a collective effort. Nobody can do it alone.
The collective effort. But Allah you put that it's just a collective effort. It's just a collective effort because Zion I see the mood. So that's what I'm trying to make you to understand. All the people are kind of was there. I can feel it in the vibe.
Uji, thank you. Uji, thank you. Thank you for you know. Thank you. Can she wear population? How much they will more everywhere now? So that's what I'm saying.
Because cannot defend
cannot defend himself on social media.
Oh, Anna appears side down. That
is what I'm saying.
Oh, it's true. Even if post in your word like this, take over. That is how we should be. Only when I'm more population than them, only the more learned than them, only the more informed than them. That's the category inside. About that account, she's doing a good job. So don't, I'm not attacking anybody, but I'm just saying, when somebody says something, you got to understand where that person is coming from. You know what I mean? Yeah, well, I understand where you're coming from. I also understand where she's coming from. So we are still on the same page. You understand? So let's move on. Yesterday, so let me leave you so you carry on. Okay. I'll disturb you. Anyway, Choma, please don't take it personal, but I'm saying it from my heart because the way I'm seeing things, and when I'm take you over. That is a few people are Mama Happy Haship Putana on Domenelu Omenala. That is a take it over. While is Zion when a crowd, people questioning Puta, they defend, they made the things they're supposed to do. That is where I'm coming from. You know, Organa run spiritual war, people are running physical war in social media. You want to go? Don't allow these people to use their useless narrative, which is Shagana. Na Jesus Galorano go lie. Every such comment attention. You want to go? Every nonsense attention. We are here to defend in high love for it. It doesn't matter. Like I said, I normally don't follow crowd. You know, bim na patara we him na gafo. But I think I take over. There is one solution to solve this problem, and that is the path we are taking, and it will put an end to this mess. You want to go? So that is my thing on this. Nobody should weaken you. See, after all, Peter Jimma sap one annual in a Bible, sap one annual hand in a Bible. Christ share me. And where no lays an ammonia, Gorana ammonia, Shana ammonia, the man ammonia, ammonia, and we hand Anahano no lazy. Yawu can I log on social media and wire. Can I pay with menga. Zion is everywhere. Cannot lack any few. We are not minority. We are everywhere. Perform your duty. And when one guy that misunderstood me yesterday, his name, I think his name is Henry or thereabouts, become my brother. I want to use this media to apologize to you. You may be, I spoke to you in a wrong way. I didn't mean to come after that because he was that guy and I put Udele and a whim. What I go so you may even water him in a way that may mean you will go. And I'm not complaining bitterly. I mean no harm. I think Henry, right? Alisa, please stand to be corrected. Is Alisa there? Henry, my brother, please don't take it to heart. Actually, I got the guy's number accounts, so he will understand. BKW will again now, my brother. Like what he do? He do odara na do ammeme. Ni wala iwe welegi. You know when I'm on in no ni hu aga. No na imana
ihu agha, ama onye wu nna, ama onye wu nna. You destroy anything that stand your way. So you will oh my brother, don't take it to heart. Keba listen, so my brother, if they tag you, please don't take it personal. I'm on social media for a long time. I know how people can manipulate. They can use in a different format. So I'm always alert. I'm always allowed to give it to anybody, chorea, however they chorea. But I am sorry if I misunderstood you yesterday. My apology. Hello? Hello? Oh, okay. I'm gonna speak. In on a speaker.
Okay. Okalicia one.
I hear you.
Lele, I am to back it with my platform. Boys to give it to loud enough. You need the crowd beside your media support to get your voice.
No.
That not like an earthquake. Okay? Your voice is too loud. Okay, so just came away he make it. They appreciate me. They are having me appreciate. The problem is that some of them were too religious. Okay, man, then Nigeria and a church. I'm feeling that. Oh, you know, there's the empire, this is empire. Some kind of work my face there, but that's why I'm not on a phone. Okay, so any bagger feel that someone don't know the cooker, and I want to start by celebrating Zion first before I take you. We have just for you. Zion, there's the empire leg. Oh, for the past 2 weeks now, when I hear 2 weeks, Facebook things are rather quiet. Everywhere is calm. I'm going with peace now social media among Ndi Igbo. God bless you, Zion. Ndi Zion ministry, Ibem. Anytime you know put her live in a program about this thing that is happening, I listened to her today. On Facebook today, she went through this lady. Most times I mention her name. This lady went through on social media. We had a go here. Okay? And nobody was there to fight for her. Because they have a ministry on our own, Korea. They are in the Facebook. All people like us wondering why when our platform in our own way never address one or two things. Whenever you see all the lights talking about Ebukobi and all these things, the only thing they need from you people is to share the video so that more people will get this information. More people will get it. When some of you do so myopic, say which do you think God is so lazy and idle? Chineke happen no like the whole world. Facebook. Everybody is fighting spiritual battle. It is our responsibility as his follower, as his lovers, to defend him our own way. Anybody Chineke Jesus insult, Jesus will answer him. In God insult, God will answer you. But if you go Ebukobi will answer you. Okay? This guy has done so many videos that terrorize the lot of people. To just say that on Facebook, who's gonna reply? Because the next thing he's going to do is to cook up lies to dirty stories about you. People put it on Facebook as if it's not my name again. I'm not going to clear that he go to date and time.
Michael, President, your presence is noticed.
Okay, so please, I wouldn't make anybody better. And if you're a content creator, Igbo content creator, listening to my voice, this thing I will share continue bullying people. Okay, one after the other. It's a matter of time. It's what the training in UK, training in Germany, training anywhere in the world.
Cool down.
Everybody is storing now. What does that tell you people? After touring in Europe, what are there for crusade? Apart from the crusade, he has members all over the world. And those members are living with you on a easy city in Libya. They know your addresses. Let them one after the other. Thank God you guys know how the law works abroad. I will say Nigeria they are saying I hide, but you know abroad you can't hide. We will visit all of you. Also, as far as you were a house address abroad to get to you. Well, it might take time. But I'll get to Gaga. No, you have only content in the woman. Asia Empire. Is there anybody who have not dragged on social media? Well, somebody comes out and says he stands for Christ. Oh, Omenala. Inside.
Ogechi jikura gbori na ya. Ogechi jikura repo ya. Ogechi jikura we criminal record. Ogechi jikura ga arụ na America. Ogechi jikura gbori na ya.
Even people now have their grandfather which and Omenala. You don't know the name of your grandfather. Even your great grandfather, you don't even know where you came from. I'm like it. People that don't know anything about tradition, Facebook are what I use. When you drag somebody, you drag a pastor in with their views. A word is enough for the wise. And most of you now abroad, now type of comments. Most of you will screenshotted your comments. Now they screenshot your name to say for day of reckoning. Most of them make content now. Now up and down. Now nobody can arrest Ijele.
Yeah, nobody can arrest Ijele. Nobody can arrest Ijele. Who na posila Ijele? Who na posila Ijele on the way me? Udele.
What gave me don't? What only the support everywhere? Only on Facebook, miscreants, almost arrogant. I'm very arrogant too. If you don't know, I say it every day.
Other man is more bloody than me, but they don't know.
I know my social media app.
Only they more rugged than me. People don't know.
I only tell you guys what will help you in life. If you don't want to listen, you get out and face your life.
You don't get the back.
You just want to need your get how do we go? Each other on social media, not cyberbullying any views. If it's not bullying this empire, if it's not bullying Ogechi, if it's not bullying if it's not bullying Jeremiah, you are not bullying, why don't you face your lives? They have dirty lives somewhere. From teenage life to Facebook also gawa. Facebook where one atom of dirty life or the other. Maria.
Majority of them are that and they purumado. Ndere purumado. Ndere purunne. All of them which are a very dirty lifestyle.
Dirty lifestyle.
Mande buchana jiha. Mande burumune ha. Everyone took all better here yesterday. You know people that called me to let you know. I'm about to know anyway. Not happen, man. People said I should not talk about it.
Marriage ni na na obodo Igbo na agbagara on the Igbo ka achụpụta ndị dị ha n'ụlọ
Chụpụta ndị ha
on the Igbo na-eme ya karịa Igbo women Igbo women are saying they are insulting in the Igbo. If people don't like to hear the truth, Ghana Nigerian law courts, human rights offices, all the Igbo no nwoke Igbo na-emegbucha nwunye ha nwunye ha na-adịra gị
I'm telling you.
Many Yoruba marriages ka ị na ha na-ebupụta na social media ndị human rights na-etret mpụ ya sị iwu onye Igbo ịlụrụ onye Igbo ị na-akparị ụmụ nwoke Igbo. How many tribes na Nigeria na-neglect ụmụ nwaanyị otu ndị Igbo si neglect ụmụ nwaanyị? Ordinary property eke ya ga-eke etinye aha ụmụ nwaanyị na ekwute ya na Facebook na-edina ya ọwụ omenala Igbo. Unu were nwayọọ change ndị Igbo change if people don't want. Zion, it's time to defend them because the only voice we have on social media today, Ezugo and Ogechi, anytime we move on her life, I expect you people to jump in there and defend. Please, if you love Ebukobi and you love what he's doing, you're not fighting a spiritual battle. This is
physical. This is technology world. Why can't we stand our feet and defend what we love?
Exactly. When on Facebook like this, it is
everywhere.
Everywhere. Hey,
I was not happy then. I was talking to Alice. What is going on? What is going on?
Chineke ga lọrụ n'ọgụ physical fight onye strength ga-avenue to fight ọ na-eche Chineke bịa hapụ ihe o bu n'isi bịa lụtụ bịa lụwara ụlọọgụ unu suwekọ ọkụ. Then some of you na-asị when this TB Joshua na-ebuliri ya he's the most.
We are not TB Joshua. We are not TB Joshua. We are not every person. We are Ebuko B member. You don't understand. You did what you did and get away from other ones. We are not those people.
Another thing which only correct is this, and when anybody recruits anybody to fight for them, Ebuko be too busy. That man
recruiter. I decided to love him and defend him. Simple.
For your people's information, I'm not a Catholic.
I'm a Catholic. How may age you?
Because of Ebuko now, Palm Sunday, I'm Catholic church, I can worship. Because of what Corona dragon.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, but Catholic doctrines, so most of these things on it.
Oh, Jimmy was never a Catholic. I'm not a Catholic person.
Chaplets or
Mama, hold it at all. Okay, because we were to love man Catholic.
Exactly. So this guy, he made his ministry neutral. When I mean, I got Pentecostal and I got Catholic and I got.
You can feel it. You can feel it. You can feel it. The truth.
So no happy here. Tibu Joshua did not fight. So why not? This time around, we want to put a stop to all this
rubbish. Because of TB Joshua did not fight in the rule of the power to continue to consult mutants.
Exactly. And let me inform them, Mountain of Fire Ministry. What about what they call Omega Minister? What's his name? Suleiman, no, they try as I'm talking to you, the man are machicola in the case. The man in the with lawyers here in the case. Listen to me, you're a pastor, even if you're not a Nigerian, if you're
the play, he doesn't play. Apostle know the play. So I can give you an example why I love that man, why I love Apostle Suleiman. He took a very dramatic decision and the thing worked for him. Social media continue celebration, maybe one achievement. Look at I posted my husband. I am my husband project to become a problem. It's massive, baby. It become a problem. Hey, Bidoshi, I'll get your house. And don't worry, my house in Abuja will be sampled very soon. More projects is coming up.
Okay, look at now.
I never see anything.
Normally, you have a quarter parents here abroad. That's a part, everyone. You know, post. And how can post any of those things on social media? Because people put there now all these miscreants, when I picture my innocent mother, that is the reason why. So we have to make social media comfortable for everybody. I mean, my he on Facebook, you go inside, and if you come out and bully people, who don't want to bully people? Most of your videos, they say we can make save go. I also save the COVID. I'm saving my own. Now take
it to my fault. Take it.
Process. Most of you don't have party man and that kind of home party man and say your videos.
Oh, the one because every mother, on your labarega, they have signed her barregi on it.
Yes, because some reply out with you, we're working her Taiwan again.
Yeah, without two fighting now.
Two fighters. That means that I'm involved mine and all that, which is against the law of the Igbo. So I'm going to say, continue. I'm saving it. I wanted the money. Even here, if I want to even do it free of charge, I got sponsor here to pay. Even now that I don't have a job, but I don't want to take it off now. My only video, I want to gather more evidence. As soon as your face is showing on Facebook, and when somebody been at that country, normal address, the monologue, you are not hidden. And I will send you a letter. Police cannot invite. Is that China immediately to court? I told you reconciliation. I got to give me explain so that the charges will be placed on your head. If you are one, what's going to give you no. Ishi maro tu she biri with nne na nna m na di no more. Onu chere na social media ebe a na-abịa ezuzu so onye na-apụta ya ezuzu pụta na-ekwuchi na Facebook. Onye pụta ya ezuzu pụta na-ekwuchi. O nwere ike nke no UK na-ekeke na. I don't want to mention people's names. Come happy here. I'm happy that let's like I focus on that case because being that you shake you're doing well.
Thank you.
Okay?
All right.
You shake.
Thank you.
Bye.
You shake it. I like it pick call who never probably will. I don't really like to pick calls. But no, anyway, come there here no gagala, make I go close eyes. Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, hello.
This is so good.
There.
What do you think?
I didn't know anything.
Choose about wolves from Nigeria, very precisely. The order of Associations Limited.
Hey, big man, I'm town. Chileke, hello, sir. I can't want to pick call go. Hello, sir. How are you? What the matter? Thank you. Thank you, sir. Just I can't one. What the matter? Okay, I'm on live from Mecha program, my boggy. Okay, so bad. Okay, sounds bad. Yes, I'm good, sir. Yes, I'm from Anambra, but my mom is from Owerri. Maybe. Oh, yeah, no. Thank you, sir. thank you, sir. I know. Okay, sir, no problem. Thank you, sir. Oh, my husband will handle that part too. I don't talk about those ones. Oh, yeah, I can handle it. Yeah, because someone in there and I made the thing, but I will still let him know them. Yeah, we're in there now. Okay, so bad. All right, so thank you. Okay. I'm looking here no with the Russian. Udele speaks. Udele king of nonsense. You have been in detention for days, and a whole lot of Ndi Igbo are not even talking good of you. Whoa. When you climbed out of this predicament, I hope you do something about the whole scenario. We are Igbos regardless. I cannot inherit your enmity, even though we are brothers. But then, every Igbo man or woman is my brother and sister. It is not too late to turn back. Just do what you have to do to soften the ground. Anyone that thinks he can pocket the entire Igbo land can do so if he feels so. And if the Igbo want him to, your job is to create awareness and live by your works. Zombie, sure, zombie will always be zombie. I stand to say your freedom is important to me because we are brothers. MK freedom is important to me because we are brothers. Every Igbo in prison is my brother too. And I pray for freedom for all. Freedom for all. Street cakes everywhere in the world. Mama Africa, stand up for your children. Onuewu. Onuewu na-akọ inyo. Onuewu na-akọ inyo. Inyo ka na-akọ. Onuewu Igbo. You see, na for you. Na-akọ inyo. I want respect for you, but you're not calling too much. Who is your brother? The same man that stood firm. The greatest happiness you get when we can Ndi Igbo. Who is your brother? Men no run this eye service rubbish upon him. Who is your brother? Oh no, why are you like this? Why are you like this? Ibatacha MK mata kadika in a popo. Oh no, we na koeri. You are talking out of points. His freedom will damage more of Ndi Igbo lives. His freedom will damage more of Ndi Igbo lives. Oh no, because of when I get the number, I'm like you put up with being on. But so no, we na in a koeri these days. In a call for man, in a channel, put up all of you everywhere. So now the person here get me work. A man that's in the campaign for years. Oh no. A man in on their campaign and all your leader and all your gain and all your God. Okay, there ya. Oh no. Let me show you this video. Maybe you have forgotten. Ebinaga because the kega hello so. Ega heguzo. You are confused. Oh. You are really confused. Makachi. Jambele. You see why I said some of you guys are that and I'm what I do not all. I'm one okay, I wouldn't okay. I'm one here, wouldn't one. I'm that you will sacrifice everything you know that is a truth because he's an own doka arrest. Because he's against Ndoka. You will not see any truth in Ndoka at this journey. You will not see it because someone took a but Omenala. You will know that Udele has committed more harm than any person. Only your brother. Who is your brother? A brother fought tooth and nail for your freedom not to be possible. Oh no, go make a shoku. Go make it a shoku and stop talking out of points. Go make a shoku. I'm highly my woman. Query on Chineke Nakremonage. In a query too much because someone the thing is from Ndoka. But how Ndoka is not supposed to be glorified by doing the right thing. Yeah, what that all one again. Which day? Now let me remind you. Maybe you have forgotten. In my own lecture for say so. I just finished reading here. Maybe she take with a picture. You can let me play you. Can you remind them? Your leader. There you go. I know you guys cannot stand him because I don't understand. Let me refresh your little memory. Maybe you will understand. I will refresh you a little bit. Maybe you can because I don't somebody you claim that you are equal on everything according to the choir. I quit about what I got in a granite. Quit about what my mind a granite. Here, me would almost some of you now. You see why I said that in that pop, some of you, I just they look on. Women, women, one map as I speak to you guys now. When I came out to anything good. Yeah? See, they both did it on. Okay, Maka, I'm just all of you. Nobody stands to be on anything good. Oh no, we're not here. Are you watching it? Oh, you're not here. Brother Kai, brother Nee, brother May, brother Kai. Guys, because I gotta go and sleep because you are not going to get no fair shaken. Ipariala my George. Ipariala my lawyers. Ipariala my police authority. Ipariala imo. Can we about 2 or 3? Who is this? Who is this? Can we about 2 or 3 persons? Because kono be amanya onu no ku a. Request here to join. Oh no, Igbo, I'm highly disappointed. Sometimes I'm a moment or gonna cook or alcohol or Igbo. We have or I don't know what is talking out of you. This is not all who I used to know. And I kozi ajambela jambele. And I kozi ajambela jambele. Makachi. 2 or 3 person requests because I'm poor 2 or 3 uno manyon no kwa kai make sure kwa kampo and my gone. Na ko iri. Nyo one known. Which forgive, which forget and forgive. And mama, why I can only allow click to join the 10 and up or network and up. I don't know. Oh, should my network call again? I don't know. Guys, soon I will leave. I'm up on motion. My dear, I'm not clicking to add you. It's not. It's mommy, hear me, guy. You should my network again. I don't know. I just cannot tell what is going on. You know, reaction network is not. What is going on? I'm not motion on my side though. I'm not on my hello?
No, no.
Oh, Chineke mebere nke ga agala. How are you, sir?
I'm Bobble.
Bobble down.
Who is it? I'm going to be.
There, what's up?
That boy, bastard. Look at my home there.
You are ready. I'm not calling you.
I'm calling you from Cyprus. I don't know when I'm home now.
No, here.
Oh, idiot.
I'm not calling you.
On the bastard.
Not calling you.
What?
Somebody start Bahara. Bahara pala ni anane.
Hello.
Bahara ya.
Look at Bahara. On do to you, Bara. You take a shame on do to you.
Bahara ya na
Have it on do to you. Yeah, you animal.
Somebody see that happiness ya no wow that ya no that Igbo ni ile kwemere.
Nicola.
Voice ni na wubi Igbo kwemere. Somebody actually got that day that you it's one meji.
All the bad. And what you like? A threat, like only Honya. A threat. Even myself, I would have cousin here, man, and Nasa person. Man had his own here. Man had his own age go. No, you're bastard. Oh, no, man. You to Agbojo.
Morning.
How are you? Asa kachipe yamma. Bekee. Dị mma. Rigbole.
Narị m mma jare. Ndị be gị kwanụ.
Ọ dị mma.
Yeah,
Nice.
I'm so happy anyway. I'm happy, but another thing, always my ejikwe style say lenu munu mara ma hinda mege na east mo so na aka na him mege because you know when him na ejije bege nwe you know
Ihe mega gị.
hinda na me na east mo so na
Enwere ka ọsọ. Enwere ka ọ ga-asọ. Enwere ka ọsọ. Never too noisy.
that boy if
Too noisy. Sorry.
if taya say Nnamdi Kalu bido na kpado onye kianu mmadụ na kpado onye kianu kebolara ya na-ebuka obi silva se buka obi n'ụkwụ ọ ga-eyi ya onye ara
Mamo. Ana akọghị.
Ishi ọgbara court. No? Oh, yeah, I'm not about somebody the other day. So I wonder why this antichrist is in East Africa. You know, I did so surprised. Not na East Coast Africa.
Ejibon antichrist is in East Africa.
Yeah, because in a no Gana say other tribe, are we the only one in Nigeria? You know, are we the only one in Nigeria? That is my problem.
Yeah. What do you guys think?
Didn't know that when it calls just Uganda or something because all this we have Yorubas, we have Hausas, we have other tribes. Why must it from the east? And the worst part of it is that we are the one doing ourselves. I know we are just killing ourselves. Not that
All the bad.
doesn't make sense to me.
All very bad.
My brother, all the bad.
Sometimes you get the thing, okay, Legodimo State, the land of hope before. A place who actually give everybody again with peace.
That's an
For okay, Weibo State, 11
But don't worry, my brother, don't worry. Don't worry. I went many years ahead. Ask him to cool down. Cool down. No. Now we day here. Watch and see.
I trust you now.
Watch and see.
I trust Akusayon on you.
My brother.
Again.
I didn't make her na ya.
Oh, believe well.
I won't be when Hakozayon get me. No, you are Hakozayon. Yana Budu, the wise they are there, man.
Oh, yeah.
Oro nkara ha tinyere na unu ikpọgara jail akwa ikpọgara kwa
we ya ka I chọrọ ije kpọrọ so before mashi mba anyị shisekwala ndị etogo onye anyị kwukwala usoro onye ka anyị gwa that if we can alụ na Chineke na unu ka unu niile moi
Igbo dey cook as if for maybe elema president in Nigeria. Oh, one nwoke.
Yes.
As if all guy.
the time of
over proud.
I want a video minute. Jeremiah Omofefe. Yeah, do ala. Jeremiah used to arrest me. Man, that video no na Jeremiah Diadana na police station the other 2 days ago.
Yes, now.
Also tell you.
Wow, when I oh, they got prison. Oh, when I oh, you not you. Yeah, that boy a bastard. Oh, not
my brother. I go to money because he don't put through up. He don't put through up. We all put through up na Istanbul before the day before I deport. So I have hope. So I'm going to tell him here, manada Tonya. Oh, na rob we go on. We he no nya ni mama nyopuma.
So all the porters get the yeah.
To get the porter, yeah.
Wow.
Nah.
I'm so happy.
Because we are going through a lot. They know that Nigeria go through a lot, you know.
Honestly.
They know that Nigeria go through a lot right now. So I'm just telling God to just help us right now. That region, God should just help us.
Give them number one problem now.
The number one problem I'm with this their kidnapping of a thing and all that. This killing and kidnapping. I will have my own problem. I will not get what to eat.
Kidnapping
I'm Nigeria last year on July. I couldn't move. Another thing too, when the police said how we will Ogechi POS and now even in Nigeria, you know. All the whole thing. There is a lot of things going on in Nigeria. Something
Exactly.
where it could be say you shed tears. Here the police making another road. You know?
Nigeria.
For where? You may have I don't want to get they'll bring their voice out. One thing they'll find something in them that will tell them before you know it's what's that POS that they should come and pay before they can go.
Are you serious? How much POS said that they go on the street?
Yeah. Okay, imagine I was coming back. My cousin brother was driving. You know, he was just lamenting all the way from Owerri to Mbise. He was lamenting that these bad people. Yeah, so na kaiba shike kaiba fenda and also kaiba fenda. He said no problem, I will drive. You know, hello that side. Just park it. I was so ready for them.
Honestly.
It's bad. You can do something about it.
Which part of US again?
I'm in Houston, Texas.
Oh, Houston, yes. I'm sure you know, so Nigeria when my brother not be too noisy, church naked. Because I'm like a noise, I'm not live program.
Last year, July, that was in Nigeria then, you know. So the experience was not really good, you know. Yeah, it was not really good. Yeah. Yeah. Even immediately, Joe Biden on there that no American citizens don't even go to the east and all that. I don't know whether I news that one certain.
I just from like Kobe.
No, the Nigeria battle last year. That now Joe Biden was giving news now. The American citizens Alapola Eastern region.
Okay, yes.
Came back from Nigeria. That was when that news came up. Yeah. No? So it's like
Are you married? Okay.
Kids too.
Okay, good. So I'm gonna family give you lack on
okay. Yeah.
Now next time they very careful because
everything, even I was that day I know I'm no Lord now. From the generator one night like that, the spirit told me, don't be on this generator to daybreak because he's creating attention. That was how I stopped. So Nigeria overall, Nigeria, my own now, that police and that insecurity, that is my problem.
The insecurity,
the insecurity and that police way, the way the police are the issue, but you both self. Give the police in Nigeria, they can you know, just ditch and those people. Is it not the same law enforcement?
God the save one. See where Zionite, right? I'm a Zionite. Okay. You know what I mean? Physical. That's the one I can do more.
But another thing is that when you come to that, right? Just because of non-name, that attack the picture and all that. For me, this fight is for Christ. You understand? But just as it's like no, that threatening and all that, no to me.
My sister can't go anyway. I don't want to go deep inside this thing now. Chineke aga shi elu bia lolo go. Icho igba ndata mmadu puta na pia nwa gi kuo nwa ga account ge shi Christ bia lutara go.
No, that is, you see, remember what I just said before. I said if not because of no futara na akpo ebuka as in
That's what I'm saying.
yeah,
Those things are threats.
generally as in without calling name. That is where it is no as in I want no right to do anything to him or him,
Exactly.
right? But right now, for that print the worst part of it get print paper. No, it's not fake, you know. That's
and you know, to understand the group poster now on the streets.
yeah, print your posters. No, so are you stupid?
All about the photo.
This is where the problem. That was where I get people from.
Yeah, it might be a threat of life.
Yeah,
it's a threat in the man.
Yeah.
Somebody
So
check
that
it
is
up.
where I get it. I was like, is this guy normal at all?
I don't know.
No,
he's not. He is not.
Yeah, someone else for and all that. And one year, you won't right anybody. Nobody believe you on our work. Good and fine for you. One time, I don't know what she's taking an all.
Hello, my brother. How are you?
If I want you to do this for me, do this. And I walk, all your faith is work.
Faith.
So if you think God, there is no God according to them, that is you. And for me, I believe in God. If he's not working for me, I will tell you he's not working for me, but he has been working for me. So whatever you believe, that is only there. You don't come out and start criticizing people, calling people names for nothing. It doesn't make sense to me. Thank God that everything because thank God now that Matthias no we are
my brother thought they cannot follow the distance.
I'm not gonna follow because I used to follow him when I used to contribute money for him. Those days when he was doing the right thing. When the mother got hospital. Nikki said my sister-in-law said, pay this money for me for right? But right now, I even told him when I made the video, when he started insulting me, because see, look, Matthias, I used to love you, but now you are going another route that is no to me. I don't follow them. Me, I'm busy. I just came back from work, not the sleep person. You know, you I'm busy. So one time on social media. God if I can't hold it, I'll just come out and mention video and tell them. You need to stop. I'm not a social media person.
I'm telling you.
You know?
My brother, your wife. I'm a chef again. I'm not a free bear.
It's well.
Be like this, at the 10 up, I go on a brain. And then the John Nanjo, and I'm not no one. Wow.
Live from time, it was a saga, Ijele and duty. Ogechi Okeke Njaka, all this thing, you know. So before you guys go.
You mean out the Google?
Yes, no.
Okay.
I'm not I won't want Jesus.
So the thing,
there's a lot of fun, but storm had the person open.
So the thing there is that why not name every mother what about agwu? You understand? Ndị nna anyị mgbe ochie fa nnọkọta sị na ha dị emezi enwere ya afọ because a ga-ebuzo sị gị weta ọkụkọ from iweta ọkụkọ asị gị weta ewu from ewu oliwe efi from efi oliwe mmadụ so oge bịara iwezie nwa afọ n'anyazi asị na ha chọrọzi so maka ndị ụmụazị kịta na njezi na-ebutezi disem alụsị a awa fọparazi ma poli mụọchiwezi ọya asị na efe ha nchọzi mana ihe mbele bụ nwa bụ na ihe onye nchọrọ ka ọfụ yetago because na for you iwere okwu na abụọ jebe na be onye aka mere m ka mere nke ọzọ nọkọta na Chineke adịrọzi ịtụgbu nwoke na asị m nwanne ebe a ekwenye na Chukwu nke m dị ndụ arụ na-arụrụ m ọrụ so onye aka m na-ekwurukwa echichi nke m na-efe na-adị ndụ yetago yes I remember oge anyị na-atụrụ this guy ego na-agbapụta oge na oge ọ nọtọ okike na agwụ ya okwu oge ọ na-ele oche I don't get this guy to more than 5 people ngole oche n'aka ya ego nọtoki mbụ Ijele. You know, agụrụ go to so many people. Mana oge bidoziri wee bido gafezie bandịrị na-agazi ebe ọzọ ya na Mathias. Mathias bụ some people ọ bụ m ego one nchego n'ebe na NGO Mathias. Ịghọtago? So mana ndị a niile if I call them gwasị afọ okwu na ha ekwela last onye nke atọ ebe o fielu na nke o mere ụbọchị a mbụ last video onye a mere ụbọchị a mmụkọtara mụ na video a bụ Mathias mmụkọtara mụ na video ahụ tie n'ụwa ọbụla ike onye ọbụla na-eju eju onye ọbụla nke ya juru kwe ya esi wee mee inogo no ife ndị ahụ ifielu n'oge na ha dị na mmata bụ they will leave you ọ na-etu ha bụ Ijele kịta they have left Ijele now and ọ na atasa afọ kịta sonye nwa ata afọ a kịta onye agwa Ijele si ya na oje polisi kedu mana the guy doesn't know that na n'oge ahụ ọ batara na Nigeria ndị ejidere ya wee nye ya ego nye ụlọ eme ya nke na taịm ahụ taịm Buhari ọ chịtụgo and ndị ka nọ asistant nkịta litugo eweta ndị ọfụ he doesn't know ọmana ndị ka nọ kịta na bụ ndị ofe mmanụ na-achị kịta he doesn't know about this one o filugo no the contact ahụ o ji before ọ ka strong ọ ya o ji ekwufe o na-ekwu no mana kịta na
o nwekwara mgbe o nwere contact o nwere contact
emana we mfe na-adị aghọta ya ịma na-aga
o nwere contact ndị DSS m jiri ntụbụrụ na onye isi achị na-enwe na ha amaghị onye a bụ
onye m ji na noise niile this boy na-eme online ejideze eche m highest the next day ọyọla ama m si this guy
but mba ga nnu ya kwa nnule ga mba asọ ọwụ ihe saga onye bụ Udele
a ebujele gari o ka ọ nwụrụ nke bụ gari biko fe agụ egwu ebe
enwere vidio anyị postụrụ mgbe ahụ ya na onye polisi na kọntrum ọ na-asị ya na ọ ya nwaji warantị ya ya hụ onye ya sị what is this person doing?
mmadụ na-nweta ya gafọ without nobody na-evidio ọda so vidio ọtọ anụọ ya na-ajụ why people videoing him wo mmadụ ga-enwekọ kese nwe onye kpọrọ ya o he's not invited yeah we do this camera
mana ya ọ na-esi osi n'otu ya ka ihe melu ya anyị ọ bụ ndị Igbo ya anyị adịghị abalụ ihe ọma asị nna ebe nwanne anyị like now echetara m oge TB Joshua na-ewu enwebeghị onye Yoruba mpụtara one day wee kazigete that TB Joshua enwebeghị kịta now onye a kịta now abịala kịta now bịa nwee lọg azin wee nwụlọ ọkụ kịta now onye pụta ka a ga this guy jee se bana Ebuka Obi bana ya pụta ya ma eme load na-asị na fake I don't know. I don't just know what be this guy problem. I don't just know. Ijele kita now. Ijele can never cross Asaba now. Ijele. Ọ bụ na investigate ka ejide nwanne anyị nwoke a kịta Ijele we 100% listen to answer. Nwanne anyị nwoke aka ji kịta ọ bụrụ aka ya dị ya anyway he to the now Ijele ga-ejeza nke a pụta ọnụ maka mmadụ ọ na-agba azị na ịdọ ọbụla bụ kesi mmadụ ọ sị na ọkara gbatuo ipụ ọsọ ọ pụta na nke ahụ because anyị si afụ adọdịke na because ndị Ijele mmejọrọ ka nkụ ha lụrụ more than 20 ndị o kwujọrọ so
Ọ dị ka netwọk gọ na-enye nsogbu.
Omenala netwọk ya dị bad. Aragbara m echekwa m the next day this guy afala. Amamshi onwe onye nwere. No contact, nothing. Ya nọ na online abaga mba enweghị isi n'ọrụ. Onye apara, onye apa.
Ihe o jiwa ọnụ.
Honestly.
Some
guys now wonder ihe nyego onye a this kind of moral o ji abaga mba niile.
Oje deceive gonu niile no.
Anya gwaga police ya ga-agba ha pieces.
Oje deceive gonu no.
Okay.
Thank you for talking to all of you. I'll see you guys later. Bye. All right, my brother. Thank you. Now, before my labo can egwu portable because you guys ready? Can I portable? Are you ready?